Don't spit. What do you call it?
There it is.
What is it?
Tornado. See it?
I see. I think it's more like a cyclone. Don't spit in the tub.
Well, me and Daddy call it tornado.
Okay. See Mommy's hair on the side of the tub.
Look!
I see.
You videotaping it?
No.
Okay.
Yes, I am, buddy.
Oh, yay. Now whenever I want to see tornado, that way if I miss the tornado when I get all back, I can watch it on the phone.
Okay. Are you done? Don't spit in the tub. Yuck. Was it done?
Nope. It's still doing it.
Okay.
I'll tell you when it's done.
Okay.
It's getting bigger this time.